DWine Group, a dynamically developing restaurant and retail network specializing in high-class wines in Spain, has completed its re-engineering project aimed at integrated business process automation using the international version of 1C ERP World Edition. DWine does business in the south of Spain and has successfully combined the boutique restaurant format with lounge shops in which several thousand wines from the best wine producers in Spain, Italy, France, Argentina, Australia, New Zealand, and the USA are presented. The main business language of the group is English, since the company personnel are from all over the world. The company's business is undergoing a period of dynamic development, expanding its range of products, geographical scope, and suppliers network. The company management finally concluded that any further growth and development would be impossible without integrated automation of the key processes. Moreover, there was a growing need to change the approach to business management. There was a need for a system of detailed management reporting. Top management of the company also saw the need to minimize internal bureaucracy and paperwork. The basic routine processes needed to be transferred to an IT system for automation and reduction of manpower. All the company's commercial specialists needed to be able to respond immediately and operationally to the slightest deviations and problems, find a quick solution, and thus consolidate customer loyalty and ensure stable business growth. It would have been difficult to implement such significant management changes without a modern ERP system. They examined local Spanish solutions, but these offered limited functionality and were unable to fulfill the business needs of DWine. What DWine needed was a functional and very flexible system, allowing them to adapt their organizational know-how and develop at the same rate as their business expansion. 1C specialists produced a prototype model IT system to allow DWine to study their 1C ERP solution. They immediately realized how quickly adaptable the software solution was to their business needs. It has an easy English language interface, broad functional capabilities, and an affordable license fee, so they selected 1C ERP. The project entailed the automation of the key operating processes, service provision, sales, purchases, and recipe production. Now all our staff know the actual residual stock and can observe the entire purchasing process. The main emphasis was focused on accounting for material, labor, and administrative costs. Personnel participates actively in the management of direct material and labor costs and indirect costs as well. Thanks to the implementation of the solution, we were able to obtain precise values and substantially reduce material costs. In the financial sector, intragroup operations, management accounting, and Spanish and EU regulatory reporting systems were fully automated. The 1C ERP solution helped us accelerate our treasury, reporting, and VAT management processes. As a result of recalibrating and automating their processes, DWine managed to reduce service provision costs by 15%, cut administrative costs by 50%, and warehouse turnover was increased by 15%. The 1C ERP World Edition system was successfully handed over to DWine for implementation and further development. The next stage in the development of the project will be focused on planning and sales forecasting.